Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So frankly speaking, it is not possible to directly transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. Amazon prohibits transferring gift card balances, and the balances cannot be used on affiliated sites outside the US. However, you can go to your customer service option once you open your Amazon app or web browser, and there you can go to payment and charges or gift cards. So once you're here, simply tap on problem with the card option and tap on applied to wrong account. After you have done this, you can see that it cannot be directly transferred, but you can simply tap on I need more help option. Now you can simply request for a call, or you can simply chat with the Amazon support to know what can be done with this issue. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.